And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Before I talk about the rain opportunity for our area locally tonight, let's talk about the tropics. Hurricane Fiona making national news, of course, global news even, because of the threat to the Caribbean. Here's the eye right here. Here's the Dominican Republic. Here's Puerto Rico now on the backside of the actual storm, getting tropical storm force winds still. The movement is north and it will eventually strengthen. So Turks Caicos will take the brunt of the next landfall or close to landfall, and then kind of east of the Bahamas as we go into tonight. You see Category 1, a lot of people think over the weekend, you're writing me and you have friends or family in Puerto Rico and you're like, it's just a Category 1. What is going on right now? Well, just remember, way we categorize hurricanes is based on only the wind, right? The wind is just one part of a hurricane. There's heavy rain, there's storm surge, angle that the storm approaches an area of land. And with Puerto Rico on the east side of the hurricane, that's what we call the dirty side or the bad side. And they got copious amounts of rain. Some areas 30 inches of rainfall, right? That has nothing to do with how we categorize a hurricane. So that's why it's flawed. And that's the reason why when you hear Category 1, you think, oh, no big deal, but it is. All right, it's going to strengthen as it goes north, but eventually as it becomes a major hurricane Category 3 or higher, it will veer out to sea. Bermuda gets blasted Thursday night into Friday, and then safely well offshore of our area, but swells and rip currents will likely be a problem here locally Friday and Saturday. Nothing in the way of tropical for us today. It's just kind of cloudy and gray and kind of cool. Temperatures 60s, east 70s as you work your way west. Why is it 83 in Hartford? Had a little sunshine, and they are actually on the south side of the front. If you are on the north side of the front, you're a little cooler. It's really pretty much cutting our area right now. The frontal boundary keeping some very cool air north, warm south, and we're like right in the middle of it. And along that frontal boundary, there'll eventually be some showers. Right now, mainly in Springfield and towards Hartford, Connecticut. A lot of this right here moving north. So we don't really get into the rainfall until almost after 8 o'clock when the back edge of this line moves through eastern New York, western Mass, western Connecticut, and eventually swings into our area. The timing, not conducive to keep storms strong, but certainly enough to bring some rainfall to the area. Some of that rainfall could be heavy at times, especially away from the coast. So time to get out for tonight, 4, 5, 6, 7 dry, 8 to midnight, some showers and storms, and then out of here. And just kind of muggy overnight. Temperatures in the mid-60s, and we can't really shake the clouds tomorrow. Still here. I got a lot of clouds and still a few little spotty showers in the afternoon. Not much rain, just kind of one of those gray, cloudy, cool days in September. Temperatures in the low to mid-70s in Rhode Island, and same for you in southeastern Mass. Probably a little bit better chance for one of these late-day evening showers. Nonetheless, though, temperatures only in the 60s and low 70s. And if you like cool temperatures in September, you are loving this forecast for the 7-day. Wait till you see what happens on the Friday and the weekend. So Futurecast, there are those showers I just showed you. A lot of them, lift north. By 7, they're trying to kind of brush northwest Rhode Island. By 8, a few showers work into the area. Here's the heavier rainfall, 8, 9 o'clock, and kind of fizzles out before it gets here. But nonetheless, some rain in the forecast, and then kind of Cape Cod pushing east by about midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning. There are those spotty showers for tomorrow. You'll see them race on through in the afternoon. Nothing really to write home about, but enough to keep in the forecast. Finally on Wednesday, after the showers Tuesday evening move out, we get back into some sunshine, especially in the afternoon. It looks pretty good. And then fall arrives, a few showers in the morning, but look at those temperatures. Friday, we may not even hit 60 degrees for the high temperature on Friday, setting up for a very cool end of the week. Tiffany.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks, Jeff.
Yep.
Now let's take